This is one Ziziphus. It seems to be a climber from the outlook. Then flowers are like that, kind of a star shape, like mandala. Then the small fruits also started appearing, and then it's thorny and hairy also. You can see that hair on it, that pubescent. So small hairs are there on the tender leaves and the stem also. You can see that fuzz on that new leaf. Then thorns are like that, sharp thorns. Then the leaves are like this. Like that. Then it's it's quite a big climber. It's gone all the way till the top and hanging downwards. So this is one Ziziphus.